Camp Nou is entering one of the most important moments in its entire transformation. After months of massive construction work, the legendary home of FC Barcelona is starting to reveal its final identity. From the new pitch and futuristic diamond structures, to advanced technology and the most complex phase of the renovation, every corner of this stadium is changing. But the biggest challenge is still ahead, and it could decide when fans finally return to the completed Camp Nou. Inside the stadium, another major update is taking shape as the new pitch reaches its final stage. The progress is clearly visible, and one of the biggest updates is that the new pitch is now almost completely finished, with the final stitching work being completed. Seeing the stadium with the new grass already in place is an incredible moment. It gives everyone a real feeling of how close this project is getting to becoming a reality. This is the stage where fans can start imagining the atmosphere and emotions that will return once Barcelona plays here again. After almost 2 months away, returning to the stadium reveals a completely different picture. The construction areas look much more organized, the spaces are becoming cleaner, and many sections are starting to show their final shape. One of the most impressive features of the renovation is the development of the diamond-shaped structures around the stadium. These unique architectural elements are gradually taking their final form and are becoming one of the most recognizable parts of the new Camp Nou design. Several diamond sections are already showing major progress, while workers continue preparing the remaining areas. The first reinforcement bars are being installed, creating the foundation for the next stages of construction. Some sections have already been concreted, although additional layers are still needed before reaching the final height and structure. Other diamond areas are still waiting for their future glass and metal finishing. The installation of decorative panels is one of the biggest visual changes happening at the stadium. These elements are slowly covering different sections and bringing the famous blue and red identity of FC Barcelona back into the design. The first completed areas give fans a preview of how spectacular the final stadium will look. As more panels are added, the connection between modern architecture and Barcelona's football heritage becomes even stronger. Construction activity remains visible throughout the second tier as crews continue completing architectural and structural details. Work is progressing around the spectator circulation areas while finishing operations continue along the seating bowl and adjacent structural elements. With more sections reaching completion, the second tier is becoming increasingly refined and is now transitioning from major construction toward its final finishing stages. The VIP ring continues to make steady progress as construction enters an advanced interior finishing phase. Workers are installing additional partition walls, fitting new access doors, and completing drywall systems throughout the hospitality areas. At the same time, interior wall surfaces are receiving their finishing treatments, clearly showing the transition from structural construction to premium interior fit-out. Finishing work continues across the seating bowl, where additional lighting fixtures are being installed along the upper levels of the stadium. Crews are also sealing the joints between the pre-cast concrete seating sections and completing surface finishing works that will prepare the stands for their final architectural elements. These activities are gradually transforming the seating areas into their completed appearance. The third tier continues to evolve as workers remove the remaining temporary scaffolding and construction supports used during the cantilever works. With more temporary structures disappearing, the completed concrete framework is becoming fully visible, revealing the final shape of the upper seating bowl. Finishing works also remain active across the third tier, bringing this section of the stadium another step closer to completion. The south goal area is showing new progress, with another large XXL box structure recently installed in this section of the stadium. The progress rate is impressive, with additional boxes already installed in recent days. At this speed, the next stages of construction will soon focus on adding the remaining support structures and connecting elements in the tribune area. This latest installation shows how quickly the tribune section and the compression ring are advancing. The structure is becoming more complete with every new piece added, bringing the stadium closer to its final shape. Several more support frames are already prepared, and new beams have been lifted into position to continue the work. From both the north and south sides, It is becoming easier to see how the stadium ring is gradually closing and taking its final form. Another exciting part of the renovation is the development of the future FC Barcelona store and cafeteria areas. These spaces are currently under construction, with concrete structures and walls being prepared for their final transformation. Once completed, these areas will become important destinations for fans visiting the new Camp Nou experience. A major discovery during the construction process has created excitement among supporters. Several large boxes have appeared inside the stadium, and many fans believe they could be related to the new LED scoreboard systems. The final technology setup has not been officially confirmed yet, but these installations suggest that Camp Nou will include some of the most advanced stadium features in modern football. Construction continues across the corner section of the stadium, where new walls and access areas are gradually taking shape. Although there is still significant work remaining, every update shows visible progress. The VIP ring is also receiving attention, with workers focusing on important details that will improve the experience for supporters and guests. Some decorative yellow panels have appeared in certain areas, creating curiosity among fans about their final purpose and design. And finally, the news that every Barcelona fan needs to hear clearly and completely, because it represents one of the most significant and most consequential decisions that the club has made regarding the Camp Nou renovation timeline. FC Barcelona has formally asked La Liga for permission to play the entire first half of the 2027-2028 season away from the Spotify Camp Nou. The club has requested that it be allowed to use the Estadi Olympic Luis companies for those matches, a return to the temporary home that Barça fans are already familiar with from the renovation period that preceded the partial reopening of the camp. Now, the reason for this request is the roof installation. The massive and extraordinarily complex operation of installing the new Camp Nou roof is scheduled to take place between June and October 2027. A 4-month window during which the stadium will need to be vacated entirely to allow the roof installation teams the space, the access, and the uninterrupted working conditions that an engineering project of this scale and this complexity absolutely demands. You cannot install a roof of this magnitude over an occupied stadium. The whole ground needs to be clear. Now here is the really important detail that distinguishes this decision from a simple operational necessity. It is also a deliberate act of caution from the club. The roof installation is estimated to take approximately 4 months, June to October. That window, if everything goes exactly to plan, could allow the stadium to reopen for the second half of the 2027-2028 season. But Barcelona is not willing to risk that second half reopening being disrupted by delays that push the roof completion beyond October. The roof is worth waiting for. The completed Camp now is worth the first half of one season at the Olympic. And when the doors of the fully finished, fully roofed, fully magnificent new Camp Nou open for the second half of the 2027-2028 season, every moment of that temporary sacrifice is going to be vindicated completely and permanently. And with that, we come to the end of today's Camp Nou transformation update. The stadium continues to move closer to its final vision, with every new detail bringing Barca's future home one step closer. Soon, fans will return to a new era of Camp Nou, where history, passion, and the future come together. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.